Good morning, students. In this session, I will solve some problems related to probability of the events. See the next question. See the first question. Two dice are rolled simultaneously. Find the probability of getting total 9, then getting a doublet. Third question, getting a total of 9 or 11. And the next question is getting at least 1 5. See the random experiment, that is two dice are rolled. So here I'll write the sample space S is equal to, we know when two dice are rolled, sample space 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, dash dash dash, 1 comma 6, then 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, dash dash dash, 2 comma 6, then 3 comma 1 2, where up to 3 comma 6, then 4 comma 1 to 4 comma 6, then 5 comma 1 to 5 comma 6, and 6 comma 1 to 6 comma 6. Okay, these are the possible outcomes for the random experiment. Two dice are rolled simultaneously. Now check n of s is equal to how much? N of s is equal to total number of outcomes in the sample space. Total 6 times, that is equal to 36, or you can count, you will get 36. Okay, now consider the first event A such that see getting a total of 9. Getting a total of 9. That means event A is equal to, see it's a one outcome of the random experiment, right? 1 comma 1. Add 1 and 1, you will get 2 only. Or see, observe this one, 1 comma 6 is there. Okay, this is the outcome. What you have to get? You need to select outcomes for event A such that their sum is equal to 9. 1 plus 6, you will get 7 only, right? So that is not possible. Then 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6 also not possible, because 6 plus 2, maximum we will get 8. But see, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 6, 3 4, 7, 3 5, 8, 3 6. 3 6 value, it's equal to 9, right? So 3 comma 6 is possible. This outcome is possible. Comma any other outcome, if 3 6 is possible, then 6 3 also possible. Okay, then 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4 is not possible, but 4 5 is possible. Why? 4 plus 5 is 9. If 4 5 is possible, means 5 4 also possible. So 5 plus 4 9, 4 plus 5, it's equal to 9. Okay, and 6 3 is already wrote, right? So these are the possible outcomes for event A. So what is n of A? N of A is equal to 1 2 3 4 is there. Okay, n of A value is equal to 4. Okay, so write the formula. Probability of A is equal to n of A divided by n of S. It's equal to, see, n of A, here you can see 4 divided by n of S, sample space, that's equal to 36. 4 by 36, its value is equal to 1 divided by 9. So this is the answer for the first question. Now take the second question. What's the second question? Getting a doublet. Okay, event B such that getting a doublet on rolling a die. You know, right? What's the meaning of doublet? That means, see, 1 comma 1, then 2 comma 2, we call it a doublet, right? See, same 1 1 2 2, then 3 3, then 4 4, 5 5, and 6 6. Okay, then n of B is equal to how much? N of B is equal to, count, 1 2 3 4 5 6 is there. So probability of B is equal to, how to calculate probability of B? N of B divided by n of S. It's equal to n of B 6 divided by n of S is 36. Its value equal to 1 by 6. Okay. See the third question. Event C such that given data is getting a total of 9 or 11. In the previous problem we calculated total of 9. Here one more data is added, that is 9 or 11. So here I will take getting a total of 9 or 11. Then see, event C is equal to, what are the possibility? 1 up to 6 is not possible. Then 2 6 is not possible. Okay, now see, 3 6 is possible, 6 3 is possible. Okay, then 4 5 is possible, and also 5 4 also possible. And one more observation, see, 5 6 is possible as well as 6 5 is possible. These are the possibilities. See, here no common elements, right? So you can solve it directly. Okay, 3 6 6 3 4 5 5 4 5 6 and 6 5. So n of c is equal to how much? N of c equal to 3 plus 3. N of c is equal to 6. Okay, we want probability of c. Probability of c is equal to, see, its value equal to n of c divided by n of s. What is n of c? N of c is equal to 6 divided by n of s equal to 36. This also equal to 1 by 6. Event D, that's the next question. Getting at least 1 5. Okay, see, you're rolling 2 dice. Condition is such that getting at least 1 5. What is the meaning of at least 1? Minimum is 1, less than 1 is not possible. So see, here 1 5 is possible. Okay, here you can see 1 5, then he can find 2 5, then 3 5, 4 5. Okay, then see 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4 and 5 5, and one more outcome, that is 6 5 is possible. Okay, and one more here missing, right? Also 5 6 also possible. These are the possibility. Okay, this is the meaning of getting at least 1 5. See, here you can see 1 5, here you can see 1 5, here 1 5, here 1 5. Then 5 1 6 outcomes are there, right? Why? 5 1 1 5, 5 2, here 5, 5 3, here 5, here also 5, here also 5. Then see, 6 5 is possible, 5 6 also possible, because here also 5 is there. So n of d is equal to how much? N of d is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, right? So n of d is equal to 11. So probability of d is equal to n of d divided by n of s. What is n of d? N of d is 11 divided by 36. So this is the answer for the given question. Next, some problems related to cards. Before going to the problems, be clear with the cards. Okay, cards means you are talking about 52 card game. Okay, in that total number of cards is equal to 52. That can be divided into two parts, red cards and black cards. Number of red cards is equal to 26. Number of black cards also equal to 26. Then what are the red cards? Diamond and heart are red cards. Spade and club are black cards. Remember, red card means diamond and heart. Black card means spade and club. Okay. In a diamond, see, one king is there, one queen, one jack, one ace, and remaining 9 number cards. Number cards, they numbered from 2 to 10. Okay, see, remember, diamond, one king, one queen, one jack, one ace, and remaining 9 number cards, so total 13. In heart also same, one king, one queen, one jack, one ace, and 9 number cards, total equal to 13. See, 13 plus 13, red cards is equal to 26. Okay, in black cards, we divided into two parts, one is a spade, another one is the club. In a spade also same, one king, one queen, one jack, one ace, 9 number cards, that is from 2 to 10, total equal to 13. In club also, one king, one queen, one jack, one ace, and 9 number cards numbered from 2 to 10, total equal to 13. 13 plus 13, again you will get number of black cards is equal to 26. Remember, 52 cards divided into 4 suits. One is a diamond, another one is the heart, spade, club. Out of that, red cards are diamond and hearts, black cards are spade and club. Each suit has 13 13 13 cards. 13 into 4, it's equal to total cards 52. And see, in that total number cards, that means see, here 9 number cards, second 9 number cards, here 9 number cards, here 9 number cards. 9 into 4, 4 suits are there, right? 9 fours are, it's equal to 36. Total king cards, see, each suit has one king, so 1 2 3 4. Similarly, queens cards, Each suit has one queen. So 1, 2, 3, 4 cards. Similarly, jack cards equal to 4. Total ace cards also equal to 4. Then total phase cards. Phase means king, queen, jack. If you observe the cards, these three are phase cards, right? Ace, A is there. There is no phase. Okay, but king, queen, and jack, there you can find phases. So total phase cards, see, each suit has three phase cards, right? Here three, see here three, here three, here three, here three. 3 into 4, it's equal to 12. Total number of phase cards equal to 12. See the first problem. A card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. Find the probability that the card is red. Then card is queen. Then card drawn is black and king. And next one is card drawn is red and number card. And the last one is card drawn is king or queen. Okay. Given question, see 52 cards are there. From the 52 cards you are taking one card. Okay. In that first question is given as card drawn is a red card. Okay. See first write n of s is equal to how many cards are there? 52 cards are there. Card a card, that means one card is taken at random, that means 52c1. Out of 52 cards you are taking one card. 52c1 we know its value is equal to 52. Okay. Probability of event A, first question, take event A. Card drawn is red. Okay, card drawn is red. In that, see, you can say that n of A is equal to how many cards are there? Red cards. 26 red cards are there. You need to take one card. 26 C1. Its value equal to 26. So calculate probability of A. Probability of A is equal to n of A divided by n of S. It's equal to what is n of A? You can see 26 divided by 52. Its value equal to 1 by 2. This is solution for the first question. Okay. Here why I am writing 52C1, because out of 52 cards, a card is drawn at random. Here you can write directly 5226 value. But in the next two problems, two cards given means you need to take 52C2 like that. Okay. That's why from the beginning itself I am writing like this only. See, from the 52 cards, a card, one card is taken. So 52C1. Okay. Then go to the second question. What's the second question? Card drawn is queen. Okay, event B such that card is queen. What is n of B? How many queen cards are there? We know it's equal to 4, but you need to take 1, right? 4C1, its value equal to 4 itself. So n of probability of B is equal to n of B divided by n of S. It's equal to n of B is equal to 4 divided by n of S is equal to 52. It's equal to 1 by 13. So it's a probability of the queens. See the third question. Card drawn is black and king. Here and is there. Okay. See, take event C such that card drawn is black and king. Okay. Now see, n of C is equal to card drawn is black. How many black cards are there? 26 black cards are there. And in that, how many kings are there? 2 kings are there. Why? Because 4 kings, out of 4 kings, 2 red and 2 black. We saw that in chart, right? So see, your card must be black and that must be king. So it's equal to 2 cards. So 2C1 out of 2, a card is selected. 2C1 value, it's equal to 2. So probability of C is equal to n of C divided by n of S. It's equal to 2 divided by n of S. How much? N of S is equal to 52. Its value equal to 1 by 26. And see the fourth question. Take it as event D. Card drawn is red and numbered card. Card drawn is red and number card. Okay. Now see, card drawn is red. In the middle and is given. So first condition is card drawn is red. How many red cards are there? 26 red cards are there. In that, in a diamond, how many red cards? 9. And in heart, 9. Right? Others are face cards and 1 ace. So see, red cards, 26 red cards are there. That is heart and diamond. In heart, how many number cards are there? 9 number cards are there. In a diamond, how many red cards are there? 9 red cards are there. In a diamond, how many number cards are there? 9 number cards are there. So, see, n of d is equal to 9 plus 9, right? Card is red and number cards. Number cards 9 plus 9, it's equal to 18 out of, you need to select 1. So 18C1, it's equal to 18. So probability of D is equal to n of D divided by n of S. It's equal to 18 divided by 52. Okay. Simplify this one. Its value is equal to, you can write it as 9 by 26. 2 9s are 18, 2 26 are 52. So answer is 9 by 26. This is how to solve the questions. Okay, directly.